What's up guys, and what you're looking at right now is the official trailer of the Galaxy S21, and it was recently leaked by Max Weinbach on Twitter. Sorry for the low resolution, it is the best that I could get, but man, that design is really good, and the camera bump actually is really smaller than we thought, and it is even smaller than the S20 and Note 20 Ultra, which is very surprising because the 108 megapixel sensor is quite large and chunky, but Samsung somehow managed to cram it into a smaller form factor, which is very surprising, and it looks better in this trailer than in the renders, and trust me, it is going to look even better in real life. And we can also see that there is a curved display instead of a flat display on the S21 Ultra, and it is slightly more curved than the S20 Ultra. And now we can see the S21, and its trailer starts with the color coordinator rings of it, and it showcases an entirely new color combination, a gold color with a violet color, which is quite unique, and I actually really love this color combination. Samsung has nailed the design, and honestly, it is so good. It looks really good. This design wasn't shown in the renders, and it is quite unique, and like the gold combination with pink combination, I've never seen something like this before, and I think it is going to look even better in real life. Yeah, thanks for watching, subscribe for more of this content, and I'll see you guys next time.